we've brought up Sridevi again.
या मैं बहुत बहुत लकी हूँ कि मैं श्रीदेवी जी से मिली.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and that was, I think, my first and last meeting with her. So I was at the Filmfare Awards, and उस साल हमने perform भी किया था. We all performed together. But श्रीदेवी जी audience में बैठी थी और इंग्लिश विंग्लिश रिलीज़ हुई थी. मैंने वो फिल्म देखी थी. एंड एज अ श्रीदेवी फैन, लाइक आई हैड वॉच दैट फिल्म, आई वॉज सो हैप्पी, सो ओवरवेल्म्ड एंड सो thrilled by her performance that I actually went to her. I sat at her feet like this and I said, ki, ma'am, you are so good in English Winglish. I couldn't take my eyes off you. And she kept saying, thank you. And she held my hand and then she said, we watch your films and, in our house, you're just like Janvi for us. So that was such a huge compliment from her.
I think बहुत सारे लोग श्रीदेवी के बारे में ये नहीं समझते कि she was one lady with max aura, like too much aura. It was light that was coming out of her all the time, and I think that's what people liked in her as a star. But I think I'd seen her from a distance in person. That was my first thought. Too much aura in this lady. Actual blessings behind her. I don't know what it is. So I feel कि बहुत सारे famous लोगों में यही बात होती है कि there's actually a lot of blessings behind them, and that's what makes them attractive, so-called attractive.
100%. I believe this. I believe that very, very high souls come, maybe who have a little karma to burn. They come and become a part of the film industry in some way.
Yeah. It's blessings. Like even fame is a very big material blessing, and it's not given to everyone. Luck का बहुत बड़ा role रहता है.
Yeah. Like when I see an Asha Bhosle ji, I know she's a very, very high soul. थोड़े जैसे देखो मुश्किलें किसके जीवन में नहीं आई है. If you see mythology like श्री राम जी हो या कोई भी माइथोलॉजिकल कैरेक्टर हो, कृष्ण भगवान हो, उनके लाइफ में बहुत सारे कष्ट आए हैं. तो जब मैं आशा जी की लाइफ को देखती हूँ या जितने भी हमारे जो बहुत ही बड़े कलाकार जो हम सोचते हैं, their life is not easy. God takes away a huge part of their life's happiness to give them that success.
कठोर सच.
Yeah, ये कठोर सच है. So many things are taken away, and I think when I say these are big souls who come here to burn karma, I think it's in that form.
जॉनी डेप की एक बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस कोट है जहाँ वो कहते हैं कि आई विश एवरीवन बिकम्स रिच एंड फेमस सो दे अंडरस्टैंड दैट दैट्स नॉट द आंसर.
ट्रू.
और ये ना उनके वो एम्बर हर्ड के कंट्रोवर्सी से बहुत पहले उन्होंने कहा था. स्पीकिंग ऑफ हॉलीवुड, आजकल यूट्यूब पर बहुत ज़्यादा विल स्मिथ हेट वीडियोस पॉप हो रहे हैं.
ओके.
ठीक है, दैट्स वियर्ड टू मी क्योंकि मैंने मेरे बचपन में सिर्फ विल स्मिथ के इंग्लिश फिल्म्स देखे हैं.
Oh yeah.
And in my eyes, he's one of the biggest legends out there.
Yeah.
But
not only as an actor, as a human being, as his thought process, everything.
मतलब उन्होंने इतना कुछ दिया है दुनिया को, and he's seen such a crazy level of fame.
Yeah.
उनसे गलती हुई वो अवार्ड फंक्शन में. But people just hang on to that one incident and they kind of forget
so much more that you got from the person.
Yeah. And I've observed a lot of these Will Smith videos और मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि यार media is a very harsh industry. इतनी मेहनत की है इन्होंने. He sacrificed so much of his family life for his work and he's still really trying. He's constantly trying and things are not working and he's not stopping. That's what I respect about him as a media professional. उनमें बहुत relentlessness है, but it also makes me think about how fame भी एक temporary चीज़ है. No matter how famous you are, it's going to go one day. And I think every famous person knows this. But जिस तरह से इंटरनेट बदल रही है अब, I'm just a little scared of this whole world of fame.
Yeah, I think हम ऐसी दुनिया में जीते हैं जहाँ पे सेंसिटिविटी बहुत कम है, जहाँ पे मुझे लगता है ग्रैटिट्यूड भी बहुत कम है. Now you're talking about fame. I'll tell you from my experience, forget the fame. Let's talk about normal people. We work with so many people in our life. कोई भी हो, एडिटर हो, कोई भी हो, ड्रेस डिज़ाइनर हो, स्टाइलिस्ट हो, मेकअप आर्टिस्ट हो, और whoever. The sense that I get is people are in so much of a hurry to, एक फ़ोटो मिल गया, उनके साथ काम किया, वाओ, मेरा पोर्टफोलियो बन गया, now I'll move on. you know, they don't have the sense of gratitude कि I have got something from this person. I also have to give back. You know, they are so much in a hurry to be boss themselves that they don't value that boss and what they got from the guru out there. If there is someone other than your parent who has given you anything, who has added any value in your life, you must have a sense of payback and gratitude towards that person, is what I feel, which is considerably missing in today's times, the world we live in. I see this trait everywhere, and I don't know where that comes from.
I think people have just become more isolated in their own worlds. दुनिया ज़्यादा individualistic बन चुकी है. Same reason that commitment is a problem in the modern day. कि आप पहले ना खुद के बारे में सोचते हो हमेशा. Everyone's just more of a lone ranger now.
Do you have any, Baba Ranveer, do you have any solution for this?
विवाह कर लो.
Oh God.
विवाह कर लो, ज़्यादा सोचो मत, बस शादी कर लो.
I would say अपनी आध्यात्मिक जिंदगी पे फोकस कर लो.
I personally feel कि actually जिंदगी का गोल वही होना चाहिए, but lots of people can't wrap their head around it.
No, I think being spiritual is a huge pillar in your life. That's where you should draw your strength from. Yeah.
Bow down.
Hi. Oh God.
Bow.
No,
down
please.
to,
No, please.
This energy.
You know you're talking about energies. Let me tell you guys. कहने को तो मैं स्टूडियो आई हूँ, मगर ये स्टूडियो है नहीं. मुझे लग रहा था मैं ओशो आश्रम तो नहीं पहुँची, या किसी या श्री रविशंकर जी के आश्रम में तो नहीं आई मैं. ऐसी वाइब्स आती है यहाँ पे. और ये जो शख्स मेरे सामने बैठे हैं वो इतने कूल और कंपोज थे, और मैं आई एकदम हाई एनर्जी के साथ. हाई, एंड आई वाज लाइक अब एक लंबी सांस लेनी पड़ेगी, थोड़ा अपने आप को थोड़ा सा
काम डाउन
करना पड़ेगा, फिर बातें शुरू करेंगे.
काम डाउन तो हमें होना पड़ा अमृता राव के
कुछ
सामने.
भी
आई एम
कुछ भी.
सीरियस.